In today's 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the content aware and spot healing tools in Photoshop to move a person or object from one spot in the image to another. And the first step is, of course, to select your object or person. If you click and hold the selection tool, it'll give you a few options to choose from. Here we have the quick selection option. And for this object, I'll just click on the subject and just kind of trace around it like this until I've made my selection. That's one way of doing it. My preferred method is using the object selection tool on here, just like this. Click on it and click on the subject, and Photoshop will make my selection for me. The reason I gave you the other option first is because the object selection tool may not be available for older versions of Photoshop, so I want to make sure that you know that you have options. Once you've made your selection, go down here to the Content Aware Move tool. Reposition your subject anywhere on the image and hit Enter on your keyboard. Then just wait for Photoshop to do its magic. Once the object has been placed, hit Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect the subject. And if you find that there are still remnants of the image where it used to be, we can quickly fix that by going to the Spot Healing Brush tool here and just patching things up a bit. I'm going to increase the brush size and just click around the image where there are spots that need to be fixed. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know down below if you have any questions or comments, and like and subscribe for more videos.